Dear students, this is chapter 2 polynomials from class 10. So let us start the first topic, that is polynomials itself. What are polynomials? Polynomial is an expression of the form an x raised to power n plus a n minus 1 x n minus 1 plus and so on plus a1 x plus a0 is called a polynomial in variable x of degree n. We can take any of the variable other than x also. The variables can be any of the alphabet you can use, and n is the degree. Now I will explain you what is the meaning of degree here and what is the meaning of polynomial. Actually, what the polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains the terms having variable of degree n, and n should be the positive integer. Okay, n should be positive integer. It cannot be negative, it cannot be in fraction because it is integer. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the degree? Degree is the highest power of x in px. Degree is the highest power of x in px. That means in any polynomial, the highest power of x is known as the degree. Now, if you want to check whether any algebraic expression given to you is polynomial or not, how will you check it? You will check for every term if it contains the variable and what is the power of the variable here, as see in root x plus 1. Root x means the power of x is 1 by 2. As I told you that the degree must be positive integer. So 1 by 2 is not an integer. So root x plus 1 is not a polynomial. Okay. Then I have written one more example for it, that is whether 1 by x minus 2 is a polynomial or not. No, it is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because it is in the form of 1 by x minus 2. यहाँ भी x की जो पावर है वो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर नहीं होगी, so it cannot be a polynomial. Now I have written next example, that is 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because it is also in the form of 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3, where the power of x is not a whole number, is not a positive integer. It is in the form of 1 by x square. Okay. Now see, I have written one more example, 3x plus 2. Now see, in 3x, what is the power of x here? It is 1. So this is the polynomial, and maximum जो maximum जो value है power की, that is here 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1 here. And yes, obviously it is a polynomial also because 1 is a positive integer. So 3x plus 2 is a polynomial of degree 1. And you have to remember, what do you call these type of polynomials? You will call these type of polynomials as linear polynomials. That means linear polynomials are those polynomials which are having degree 1. And the general form is px is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers. Now see, 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial of degree 2 because the highest power of the variable here is 2. In the first term, the power of the variable is 2. In the next term, power of the variable is 1. In the third term is constant term and the power of the variable is 0 here. So maximum power of the variable is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. And the polynomials having degree 2 are known as quadratic polynomials. And what is the general form of these type of polynomials? It will be px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, where a, B and C are real numbers. They can be of any type. Okay, they can be of in fraction also, in decimal form also, in negative numbers also, any type of real numbers. Now, I have written one more polynomial with variable u, 5u cube minus 4u square plus u minus root 2. It is a polynomial having degree 3 because in first term the power is 3. In next term 4u square में power कितनी है 2 and third term में u की कितनी power है 1 and the last term is constant term. So maximum power of the variable here is 3. So its degree is 3. So what do you call this type of polynomial having degree 3? It will be called as cubic polynomial. Now, what is the general form of cubic polynomial? It will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So notice here, I am writing the general form in some special format that I am writing all the terms in descending order of the power of x. See, ax cube, then I have written plus bx square, that means power 2. Firstly, I have written the term having power 3, then I have written the term having power 2, then I have written cx having power 1, then in the last I have written the constant term. So this is the general form of the cubic polynomial and it is also the standard form of the cubic polynomial. Okay, where a, b, c and d are real numbers. Now I have written one more example for it. 7t raised to power 6 minus 5 by 2 t raised to power 4 plus 3t square plus t minus 6. It is the polynomial having degree 6. Why? Because here the term having power 6. Here it is a term having power 4. In the third term having power 2. In the fourth term having power 1. Last term is constant term. So maximum power of the variable here is 6. So its degree will be 6. Its general form will become now ax raised to power 6 plus x raised to power 5 plus c x raised to power 4 plus d x raised to power 3 plus e x square plus fx plus g, where a, b, c, d, e, f and g are real numbers. Okay, then I will make you clear the next topic, that is zero of the polynomial, in my next video. So you have to wait till my next video will be uploaded. Okay, for the notification you have to subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification on time. So you have to subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon. Okay, so till then, take care.